Hello my dear student, this is Vivek Yadav, your speaking guru, and today in this video I'm just going to share with you some tips and techniques that's why you can start your journey learning English language at your home. If you want to start your journey learning English language at your home, so try to watch this video till the end. So without any delay, let's start the video. Dear student, the most important in this process learning English language at your home, you have need to boost your confidence. Because confidence is very important in any work. And here in learning English language, speaking English language, also confidence is very important. Sometimes you cannot feel the confidence, but that time you have the need to create the confidence. Try to feel the confidence. Say in your mind again and again, I can speak English language, I can learn English language. And also try to work on it. Purchase some English speaking books by Amazon and try to read every day. Give the time to improve your vocabulary, improve your sentences, improve your translation. Read every day. And next one, you have the need a smartphone, mobile phone, and try to use your YouTube channel so much, but not for listening the Bhojpuri song, Hindi song, for listening many trainers on the YouTube channel. And you can follow them. You can follow them. So many English speaking trainers you try to just follow on the YouTube channel. And listen every day. What they are saying. How they are saying to start to learn English language. And next one, you try to get a one personal contact number. Minimum one trainer. And try to talk to him. So how can I start my journey? Because personal trainer can guide you according your knowledge. How much you have knowledge, according your knowledge, your personal trainer can guide you. So my dear student, if you want to start your journey learning English language at your home, follow these tips what I just say here. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.